how to activate VoiceOver on your iPhone. So if you're wanting to activate VoiceOver on your iPhone because you're having trouble seeing things on your iPhone, or if you're visually impaired, here's how you do that. So the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. In Settings, you then want to scroll down and select Accessibility. From here, you want to select VoiceOver. And here at the top, you then want to select and toggle VoiceOver on.
Settings. Accessibility.
Accessibility.
Button.
And what VoiceOver Accessibility will do is it will tell you or give a voiceover on any function that you touch. So for example, if I touch the speech tab here,
Speech button.
VoiceOver will announce that I've selected the speech button. And the way you operate it is by double tapping the option that you're on.
Voice. Daniel. Button.
And it will take you there. And that's how you activate VoiceOver on the iPhone.